Tutto real. Hello and welcome to the new video. As you can say by the title or the type of your search or the type of your problem, today we are going to format a USB stick, USB drive, whatever you want to call it, through command prompt or CMD. For this operation, what we need? We need one USB stick and obviously Windows OS. So first thing we're going to do, let's put this baby into the laptop or PC, whatever you have. And what this USB says, learn format. So first thing we're going to do is to create test. You don't need to do this. This is just to perform an operation to see formatting. Okay. First, we're going to click on the start button, type CMD. You can run this as administrator, but there is no point for that. Open it. Now in command prompt, type disk part or disk part, and it will pop up the window where you will open disk part. And now in here, what you want to type is list disk. List disk. Okay, so we have two disks in here. You will maybe have more. What you want to do is to find your USB drive. It is disk 1 at my place. So type select disk 1. And disk 1 is now selected disk. What you want to type now is clean, to clean it out. So this part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Next thing is create partition primary. Enter. And this part succeeded in creating the specified partition. Next thing what you want to do is formatting. So format fs equals FAT32, because FAT32 is standing for file system that is used by USB flash drives. So fs equals FAT32, and we're going to type quick for quick format. And if you want to add labels, type label equals, and let's type learned. Okay, enter, wait for a bit. So quick format, it's formatted. Next thing you want to do is assign, where you will assign letter for your USB drive. Type assign and enter. So this part successfully assigned the letter, and you see pop-up window. It is formatted. What you want to do now is type exit and exit in command prompt, or you can just click on the X button. And on that way you formatted your flash drive using CMD. There is also more ways to format your drive, but let's say this is more user friendly. So what you want to do is to type right click on your flash drive, click format. So it will pop up this window. You have capacity, file system, allocation unit size, and volume label. So perform quick format or not, just press start. It will show you the message that everything will be deleted using the format, and click OK. And as it says, format is complete. OK, close, and on that way you formatted a USB stick, USB drive from more user-friendly side. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share it with your friends, subscribe on the channel. If you want to donate, you have a link down there in the description where you will support everything that I do. Yeah, thank you for watching one more time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.